Hi everyone, today we are going to learn Power Maths Year 2 Practice Book 2A. Turn to page 108. Friends, maths is not hard, it's easy. But in our book, it's little tricky. I am sharing with you what I know. In future, you also can help me to do. Come, let's study together. Counting money notes 1A. How much money is there? Okay. So 10 is here and 1 is in the one side. There are 5 here and 1 is here. Okay. Now let's start by 0. 0. 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 30 pounds. Now 30 plus 5 is 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. Okay. 45 plus, wait, I'll cut this. 45 plus 5 equals 50. So we got the answer here and let's write it here. There is 50 pounds. B. How much money can you see? Now let's start counting. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, now let's write 40. Okay, it's 40. 4 and 0. Now let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now put 6 here, plus here, a line here. Okay. Now 0 and 6 is 6. Okay. 4. We got the answer. There is 46 pounds. Okay. Now let's start. 10 pounds. Now 20, 30, 40. Okay. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So I will erase it and write 46. Okay. Let's go to second question. Circle the money that totals 43 amounts. Okay. Let's write first. Okay. 20 plus 10 plus 10 hold on. Okay, now let's cut. Where's 20? Here. Now 10 here. 10, 10 is here. 10 after that 2. Then 1. I got the numbers. Let's move to 3. Count all the money. A. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. Let's write 35. Let's go to the B question. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24. Now here. 10, 20, 30, 32, 32, 34, 36, 38. 38, 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29. 29 this one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10, 15, 16, 17. 17, 5, 10, 30, 32, 32, 34, 35. So the answer is 35. Complete each part whole. Okay. 10, 20. So we are making 20, but here not answer. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Let's write 10 here. Let's go to this one. 5 plus 2, 6, 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Write 8 here. Move to the fifth question. Jenny has a note. It is in both the 2 and 10 times table. Which note can it not be? Explain your thinking. Now we have 5, 10 and 20 notes. 20 and 10 are both even numbers, but 5 is not. These two numbers are both in 2 times table and 10 times table. 5 is not an even number, so it cannot be a 5-pound note. Reflect. Explain 3 different ways to make 20. We can add up. 5 plus 5 makes 10. Okay. Now then 10 plus 5 makes 15. 15 plus 5 makes 20. Wait, I'll take my eraser and put equal here. Makes 20. Okay. 10 plus 5. Oh, I will put here. 5 plus 10 makes 15. 15 plus 5 makes 20. Now 10 plus 10 equals 20. So these are the answers that we can make. Counting money, coins and notes. Number 1. How much money is there in pounds and pence? 0, 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. Okay, 0 plus 10 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. Then 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay? 34 here. Now, the pounds are 27 and the pence are 34. Together, there is pounds and pence. there are 27 pounds and 34 pence. Number 2. Work out the total amount of money. Girls' purse and boys' purse. Let's do the first. 10, 15, 10, 15, 20, 25. So, there is 25. I will write 25 here so I won't forget. And now, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58. And here, 58. Girls' purse has 25 pounds. Pounds. So I'll write 25 here. Boys' purse has 58 pence. So I have to write again also. Okay, 20 plus 10 makes 30. So I will write 30 here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And 10 here. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 32. So I will write 32 here. I'll make it long. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. 21 here. Here there is 25 pounds and 30 pence. And 10 pounds, 5 pounds and 5 pounds. We need to make 25. There is missing number here. 10, this is 10, 15, 20. So I need to write 5 because it's missing. So now I will write 5. And now this is 20. So now 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay. So we need to make 30. So we need another 5. And now we got it. Now I will write 2 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now I written 2. So 50 plus 2 is 52. Now I am going to write 50 here in the box. Now they gave already 5. So the missing number is 10. Write 10 here in the box. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Circle 12 pounds and 30 pence. Okay, now I will start with 12 first. And I will put like this. Oh no, not like that. Okay, this is a pen. I will cross this and this. Okay, and now I will start with the 30 pence. And easy. Now let's go to the 5th question. There is 10 pounds altogether with Poppy. There is 10 pence altogether with James. Here we can see 2 plus 1 pound. It means 3 pounds. I will circle it. 5 plus 2 makes 7. So I will cut 5 and 2 because it makes 7. I will write 3 pounds and 7 pence. Let's write it here. Is Poppy correct? No, she's not correct because she's saying there is 10 pounds, but here it's showing 3. Is James correct? No, he's not correct because we can see only 7 and 7 pence. He's wrong. Okay, I will write they both incorrect. Wait, I will erase. Don't forget to put full stop.